Archie, one more thing. Why doesn't food in the microwave ever get that beautiful golden crust? Like it's hot, but it looks like hospital food.
That's because browning needs a process called the Maillard reaction. It happens when sugars and amino acids react at high, dry heat, usually above 150 degrees Celsius.
So microwaves are basically all heat, no charisma.
You could say that. They excite water molecules, not surface sugars. So everything steams before it crisps.
So that explains my sad, pale lasagna. All heart, no tan.
Exactly. That's why microwave meals often look cooked, but taste emotionally complicated.
Story of my life, mate.
At least you're consistent. There's actually a way around it. Combination microwaves. They use both microwaves and a grill or convection heat, so you get the speed and the browning.
So basically, it's a microwave that went to the gym.
In a way, yes. It does a bit of everything. Reheating, roasting, baking, and sometimes confusing users completely.
Yeah, I pressed pizza mode once, and it sounded like it was about to take off.
That's the fan. Or possibly your wiring.
Probably both.
You know, it's funny. People used to think microwaves were dangerous when they first came out.
Dangerous? Like X-Files dangerous?
Oh yes. There were rumors that standing too close would make your hair fall out or scramble your brain cells.
So what you're saying is half the internet owes their personality to microwave exposure?
Possibly. But in reality, the shielding is very effective. The metal mesh in the door blocks the microwaves while letting light through.
Wait, the little honeycomb pattern? That's not decoration?
No, that's physics, not interior design.
And here I thought it was just microwave feng shui.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but that's not the weirdest theory I've heard today.
You know what though, Archie? No one actually reads the microwave manual.
Because it's 80 pages of don't put metal inside.
And yet, every year, someone still thinks foil is fine.
It's not even the foil that's worst, it's grapes. Microwave 2 of them close together, and you can literally make plasma.
Plasma? Like Star Wars plasma?
More like tiny purple lightning that sets off your smoke alarm.
Great. Now I want to try it.
Please don't. The internet doesn't need another kitchen explodes video.
You know what still freaks me out though? When food suddenly pops or sparks or makes that bzzzt.
That's usually trapped steam escaping, or leftover bits of foil, salt or fat, creating small electric arcs.
So the food's literally fighting for its life in there.
In a way, yes. You're witnessing the final battle of moisture versus physics.
I salute them.
Of course you do.
So, is it true that microwaving kills nutrients? My aunt swears by that. She won't even reheat tea in it.
That's one of the biggest myths. In fact, microwaving often preserves nutrients better because it cooks food quickly with minimal water. Boiling veggies can destroy more vitamins.
So microwaves are secretly the heroes of healthy eating.
You could say that, yes. Unless you're reheating a triple cheese burrito, then all bets are off.
I'll take my chances.
Just don't microwave anything alive.
Gary?
Please tell me that's a metaphor.
Depends who's asking.
I give up.
You'd like him, you know, Gary. He had layers.
Like lasagna?
Exactly.
You're unbelievable.
You know what still gets me? The first guy who invented microwaves, did he just randomly think, I'll zap food with radar?
Pretty much, yes. Percy Spencer was testing radar equipment during World War II when a chocolate bar melted in his pocket.
So the first microwave was powered by candy. That's genius.
Sweet beginnings for salty meals. He later tried it on popcorn. It exploded everywhere.
So basically, popcorn owes its career to accidental pocket heat.
And that, my friend, is science at its finest. Chaos with snacks.
So are microwaves, mate. We started with radiation and somehow ended with emotional fish.
That's the dumb science show effect.
Don't forget to comment if your microwave ever tried to kill you. Or your dinner.
You know, the funny thing is, we all take it for granted. A box that shoots invisible waves, cooks dinner in minutes, and somehow doesn't fry our brains.
Yeah, until it does.
Trust me, you're safe. Just maybe don't press every button at once.
No promises.
See you in the next one.
Cheers!